Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's the very end of November, it's very early in the morning and it's absolutely freezing outside. But we're out on another adventure, so sit back and relax and let's see what today brings. Welcome to our hotel for the week. Sitting right on the front here with a view over to the ocean. I'm lucky enough to have a nice wee balcony room here, but I would say this is fairly typical of the rooms that you would expect to get when you come on one of Canary Motorcycle Tours. It's a really nice, very clean, very well appointed, very comfortable bedroom area. There's tea and coffee making facilities there. Charging, plenty of plugs to charge, any camera gear up, television on the wall. There's good storage area there and safe as well. And if you come further through into the shower room, it's a really nice little shower room here with wash and basin, a really excellent shower, and a normal toilet and bidet. So yeah, and a phone on the wall in case you need assistance. So yeah, it's a very good little room, very comfortable. This is going to be a lovely stay.
Over in Tenerife and is pointing it out to his wife as he's driving over your couple of corner.
Okay, that's us heading off for our first day's outing on the bikes. We've got Marcus with us, and we've got Charlie and David up front, and Jose, he's leading us today. Here comes Jose. Okay. So we're just leaving the depot of Canary Motorcycle Tours, heading down through Vecindario town to the petrol station. Just getting used to the bike as well. It feels a wee bit strange, but we'll soon get used to it. The morning ritual with Canary Motorcycle Tours, if you've never been on one, there's normally a briefing for people who've never been before. Give you a bit of good instructions of what to look out for and how to position yourself on the roads and basically how to ride safely and keep safe. Basically then out on the bikes, head down to the wee petrol station. We all fill up every morning, all the tanks, and then we head for the hills. And here we are at the petrol station. Well, that's us now left Vecindario and we're heading for the hills. And doesn't that look wonderful up here? Anyway, let's go back to the beginning. As you can obviously tell, we've left Scotland and I'm back here in Gran Canaria for another week's riding with Canary Motorcycle Tours.
I was out here in February and for a week and absolutely had a fantastic time. I loved it. I was just off the plane when I got home and I was desperate to come back. And yeah, here I am, back again for another week. It's a slightly different crew we've got today. There's 4 of us that came out from Scotland, myself and my 3 friends that I ride with regularly, David, Charlie and Marcus. They've never been out before. This is a new experience for them. I'm sure they'll have a ball, especially once we start riding up into the hills. So hopefully we'll have a great week's riding, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you some really quite amazing video content, because the roads here, I can tell you, are fabulous. It's some of the best riding I've ever done in my whole life. It's just a biker's paradise. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and we'll catch you a wee bit later. You've got to be careful in some of these corners. You've got to keep right into the right hand side, because all tourist cars or anything could just come around on the crown of the road and wipe you out, and we don't want that. There's a lot of cyclists here. There's a lot of people who are professional cyclists that actually come across here to train because the weather is so good. Look at that. Look at the road where we're going away, winding our way up that valley up there. And the sun's coming out as well. Oh man. Back in Scotland, it's freezing cold, it's snowing, there was a gale meant to be coming in. It's absolutely miserable weather. And look at this, look where I am. Am I not so lucky? Look at this road, look at the way it winds down. Oh man. There's Hosey way up in the hill there. Hosey's leading us today. He's a fun character, a lovely guy. I was never out with him the last time. This is the first time I've been out with Hosey, so this will be quite interesting. You might ask, why did I come out here twice in 1 year? Well, it's quite simple really. I'm not getting any younger. I'm an old age pensioner. I'm 71 years old. Still feel that I'm riding well, and I'm still I still think I'm quite a capable rider and safe. But who knows how many more years I'll be able to do things like this. And while I'm able, while I have the means to do it, God, why not go live a bit, eh? I could be sitting at home freezing in Scotland this week, or I could be out here doing this. and you know, this just keeps you alive. It keeps you stimulated. It improves your riding skill. If you can ride here, you can ride anywhere, on any road. And hopefully I'll still be able to continue doing things like this for many years to come. But you only have one life, guys. You never know what's round the corner, what tomorrow's going to bring. Enjoy the day while you can. And as for mental health and therapy, this it doesn't come any better than this. This is good for your health, it sure is. It's definitely better on returning. I feel much more relaxed out here. When I was out here the last time, the first day you were out coming up on some of these roads, you felt very cautious. You were being very, very careful. And it was quite stressful, I have to say, initially. This time around, knowing the roads a bit better, and pretty much knowing roughly where we're going, although I'm sure there'll be plenty of surprises. So it's definitely, yeah, it's like coming back to some old your old favourite roads and riding them. I'm so looking forward to seeing the reaction of the guys once we stop for coffee. See how they're enjoying it so far. I'm sure they'll be buzzing. It comes with this cut and it just opens up. Look at this road, guys. Look at this road. I so hope these new cameras are going to bring a much better impression of what the roads are like out here and what it's like to ride. I love it when you come through these cuts in the rock and you just always appear through the other side and just something, it just opens up. I love this place. This is a great holiday. Look how close you are to the rocks. Yeah, it's a very volcanic island, that's for sure. That building away down in the distance there looks interesting. There's this wee old building just coming up. And the way the sun strikes on the colours, even though it's a ruin, it looks really nice. Eh? Imagine living there. Imagine looking out your window and seeing the views down that valley. Wouldn't it be absolutely brilliant? What a place. There's those peaks down the bottom down there. Wow. This is normally a coffee stop here. I'd assume we'll be stopping. A lovely old town. This will be our morning coffee stop.
Okay guys, we've left base in Canary. We've hit up here to our first coffee stop, and that was your first encounter with Gran Canaria Motorcycle Tours. And how did it go?
Thumbs up. Fantastic.
You'll actually fuck.
Charlie, how did you like it?
I don't think you can see on the GoPro how tight the corners are and how narrow the roads are.
Yeah.
But good, yeah. Very warm.
Once you settle in, once you get more used to the bikes and the roads, you'll
I think the
absolutely love it.
surprise is when a car starts coming towards you around the corner, you're not anticipating it, eh? That's a bit of a... Because the road's so quiet, but as soon as you see a car, it's like, oh, where did that come from? But no, it's great.
Excellent. So thumbs up from everybody, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant.
Well, that was a lovely wee coffee stop down there. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Some nice coffee. And top up with some water because it's so hot here. It's so easy to get dehydrated. It's Charlie in front of me now. And Marcus have swapped places. We're going right across this wee ravine here and climbing up the other side. Some amazing rock formations that you see up there. In some parts of the island, I believe there's a lot of caves where people used to live in the caves cut into the hillsides. And the people who built these roads is quite amazing as well, the way they've cut them through the hillside. Created these absolute gems of just for us, just for motorcyclists. Look at some of those rock formations coming away up across here. If you were in the wild west of America, you would think this wouldn't be out of place. It's just superb. Look at it up there. Wow, 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 wow. Through. Look at that, with these peaks and stuff kind of sticking up here, and those rocks. Isn't this just absolutely fabulous, fabulous place? There it is. That one there, wow. They're faster than me, they're locals. I'd rather have them in front of me than behind me. Some of these corners coming round here, isn't it? It's so tight. If someone was coming the other way, wow. Unfortunately, the cameras will push it a bit further away. But I can assure you, when you're actually out here riding, that everything seems much, much closer to you and much more dramatic. This is a wee bit of a rougher road, isn't it? Coming up here. Look at it. When you come up around the corners. Oh man, this is good. Look at that up there. Isn't this one fantastic spot to be at? Absolutely brilliant. Oh man, look at that. Look at that road down there. Isn't that something else going down that valley? Absolutely amazing. There's Jose, an angel on the road, is ready to lead us on for some more fun on this absolutely brilliant road. That was a stunning viewpoint up there. Absolutely brilliant. It's interesting the way it's going to wind its way up the side of this hillside up here. It looks quite stunning. I don't remember this at all. This is all new, I think. what a road. Absolutely brilliant. The houses are just built into the hillside here. It's quite amazing. See that one up there with the balcony, and the house is just cut right inside the hill. Incredible. This is some road, this one, coming in here. Again, it's completely different. Jose's putting us through our paces, testing our mettle. Don't want to fall off the edge of the road there, do you? Oh, wow, 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 wow. It's just a sheer drop. There's no flipping leeway in that one at all. So, I would imagine this is our lunch stop in here. So that was our lunch stop. Excellent, excellent choice of location, excellent meal. This is a wee twisty, gnarly wee bit of road in here. Look at it. It is brilliant. Never been in here before. This is all new to me. That's what's so lovely about this, these runs. You keep thinking when you see part of the island it's all going to be exactly the same, and there's so many different contrasts within it, and different roads and different surfaces. It's just brilliant. It's just so interesting. Wee caves and stuff in there. Oh, it's just brilliant. Right down there at that dam. Isn't this just tremendous? Absolutely fabulous.
Is that a drone?
Some view down that valley down there. Quite incredible.
Wait.
Yeah.
Just it.
3 times. You hear it?
No, it's lost out to
That was a fantastic viewpoint just sitting there. The view down that valley was absolutely stunning. What a place. It just keeps giving more and more and more. So there are a lot of rally cars coming along here. Must be the Rally de Canaries. Lots of old ones, old kind of classic cars, old Opel Manta and stuff that went by. Some really nice old cars. There's another one coming. Maybe 127, wasn't that Fiat 127? Lovely road in here, this is beautiful. GTI. Back up behind David again. There's quite a nice winding section of road here. We're in fantastic weather. Great today. Warm, sunny, perfect conditions. I mean, you're out on the bike all day pretty much, so driving on these roads, and the majority of the time you're in second and third gear. I've never been in fourth gear today, I don't think. Certainly never been in sixth gear. And these bikes are just perfect for this. They're just light enough, flickable enough, they've got just enough power and torque to pull you up and round the corners and up the hills. You certainly wouldn't want a big monster bike and a high performance bike, especially if you're coming out here for these holidays. It's just, these are ideal. You may think they're a wee bit puny and not that flippin' inspiring, but I can assure you, whoa. These roads are so technical. You're concentrating 100% the full time. You really can't afford to lose that concentration.
Hey guys, TV. Hello. Hello.
Well, that was an absolutely great little stop there. Absolutely delicious coffee, and the cakes were absolutely to die for. I popped into the shop to take a wee video of all the cakes that were on display, and I ended up chatting to some of the locals, and they were such a friendly people. And when you said there was a group of us from Scotland, they were, oh wow, how are you enjoying our island? Do you like it here? And they were really, really nice. Yeah, this is a wonderful island. When you're away from some of the real tourist traps, this is the real Spain, the real Gran Canaria. This is areas that tourists don't really go to. So you're in places where it's just purely frequented by the local Spanish or the Canarian population. We're just coming up to Lizard Corner. Have a wee look at the hillside here. There's giant lizards crawling up it. And there they are. See the lizards? Yes! Well, we're almost back in Vecindario. That's the end of, pretty much the end of today's run. It's been absolutely brilliant. We've been really well led by Jose. He's an excellent guide and a lovely, lovely guy. He's funny and he's friendly, he's helpful. Wow, he's just great. I hope you've enjoyed this wee video today. What I'm trying to do is a wee bit different from most of the videos you see from Gran Canaria. Most people just show you you blasting around a lot of the country roads, which are fantastic. The roads really are superb to ride on. But I'm trying to do a wee bit more than that. I'm trying to show you what the whole package is like, between from arriving, being greeted by Joy and Martin and the team, to the quality accommodation that they set up for you, to the way how well the runs are led, to all the wee coffee stops, the wee fabulously local lunch stops as well. Just the whole package of, if you were to come out here, what it's like. It's not just riding on the roads. It's much more than that, and it's the kind of the sum of the whole that kind of makes it what it is, and it makes it the success that it is. Yeah, it's been a great day. This is the first day's riding. We've got another 4 days riding to come in the week. So yeah, bring it on. I'm really, really looking forward to the rest of them. and I hope you are too. So for now, take care guys, ride safe, and we'll see you on the next episode of this current Canaray Motorcycle Tours the mini series. Well, that's us all back at the depot. All back in one piece. I'm talking to myself.
Aye, we're back.
all back safe and sound to the depot after a great day out on the bikes. See you all on the next one, guys. Look at this. What a road. Oh man. Look at this. I mean, that's pretty much the road we've been coming up. We've wound our way up that whole section down there.